Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the whiteboard in Google Meet. All right, let's begin. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly start using a whiteboard here on Google Meet? Well, using one is fairly easy. So first things first is you want to go ahead and access your meeting here, and you want to go and click on the dotted option you see here next to the lock icon or the host controls here. Now you have meeting tools, go ahead and click on it. Now from here, you want to go and click on the plus button that you see at the bottom right of your screen. Click on Get Add-ons. Now from here, you want to search for the app that we want to use. So in this case, just type in Whiteboard. Now from here, once you start searching for it, you want to go and just choose the app that you want to use. In my case, maybe I want to use Collaborative Whiteboard here. Let's go and click on it and click on Install. Now from here, it's going to ask you to log in or sign in. Let's go and click on Continue. Now once you've done that, it should initiate the installation. And once it's actually installed, you should be able to start using the app or the actual app itself. Now it should open up Collaborative Whiteboard here. You want to go and just sign in into your Google account if you haven't. But in my case, I've already signed in. So just going to log out here, click on Sign In, click on your account or Google account here, and just confirm a few things. And once you've done that, just click on Open Whiteboard. And from then on, Whiteboard should now be opened in here. I could also share the session URL here, just in case. You can even share the screen here or end the activity if you want. But in this case, that's about it. So that's basically how you can use the whiteboard in Google Meet. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.